Hi, I'm Yale Bach, the owner and operator of Y-Agency Investments. Today I'd like to talk to you about the opportunity in the small and microcap area. It comprises nearly 50% of all listed companies. Retail investors dominate the landscape. Institutional investors typically avoid this segment. Over the last 10 years, the small and microcap area has dramatically underperformed the broader market indexes. Valuations remain historically compressed. There's never been a bigger divergence between the valuations of the small and microcap area relative to the large caps or the Magnificent Seven. With that in mind, let's turn to my approach. I start with a filter on the top line, with the sweet spot being revenues of $50 to $100 million. It helps mitigate both business and dilution risk, which is the most common problem in the small and microcap space. Let's turn to the critical area of management. We have faith and trust in management teams, which have a long track record of industry-specific experience and as being excellent stewards of capital. They own 5 to 10% and sometimes north of 25 or even 50% of the companies. Turning to the capital structure, we look for scarcity, with the total number of shares outstanding being anywhere from 10 to 35 million total. In terms of stock-based compensation, we want no more than 1 to 2% dilution in any given year. In business operations, having and growing strategic competitive advantages with the goal of doubling earnings power over the next 5 years is the focus. As the businesses scale, the target operating margin profile is north of 20 to 25%. On the balance sheet, strong liquidity and growing operating cash flow is reinvested for organic growth opportunities. Adding leverage for accretive M&A transactions has been used in specific instances. The portfolio companies exist in large total addressable markets like foreign exchange, the auction and liquidation of industrial assets, and various forms of credit card charge-offs, out-of-home advertising networks, the digitization of utilities, and community banks. Thank you for sharing the opportunity in the small and microcap area. I appreciate your time and valuable consideration.